How to redeem 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to redeem 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards. It's a simple process, so follow along. I'll show you the correct way to redeem your Microsoft Rewards point for the Roblox gift card usable on the Roblox website. First, access the rewards.bing.com through a web browser to redeem your points. Alternatively, you can also go directly to the Microsoft Store. Once there, switch to the Redeem tab, use the search function to find the Roblox, and choose between 100, 200, 400, 800 or 1000 Robux. But this tutorial will focus on 200 Robux costing 3000 points. After redemption, you will receive a digital code through email, and to redeem the Roblox gift card and get your Robux, visit the Roblox website, click on the icon at the top right and go to Redeem Robux code. Enter the gift card code, confirm your agreement with the terms and conditions, and redeem the code. It's a simple process that can be repeated as long as the Roblox gift card is in the reward list. I hope this guide on redeeming 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.